welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Joy, and today's video I'm going to be doing a holiday makeup tutorial. It's gonna be a get ready with me, so I'm gonna try and talk because it's not noisy like it usually is. I'm gonna get on with this. I'm really sorry guys, I am not naked. I have something underneath. Guys, look at my view. I'm currently on holiday, so that is my view right there. No, the door is closed because a monkey tried to get in. So first things first, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. It's just like the same, but it's going to be a bit different using just the Davis pencil. These days it's kind of getting dark for me. It was like contrasting with the black, but right now it's just getting dark. So guys, I am done with my eyebrows, and now we are going to go to my eyes, and I'm just going to take the same concealer that I used underneath my eyes, which is Toffee. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna use in Toffee, the Elegant Pro concealer. And today my eyebrows have really behaved, and I'm loving them. To be honest, I'm really loving my eyebrows. I really have to get new concealers. To be honest, I have to get new concealers. I'm just going to blend it out using my thumb. You can use a brush if you'd like, please. This is how I do it. As when we are on holiday, we're taking things slow. Remember, I cannot carry all my brushes. I'm gonna take my Morphe 35O, which is my to-go palette. It has all those neutral colors. During holiday, I honestly do not like to go all out with colors, like having vibrant colors. I do not like that, so obviously I'm going to go with a shade that looks similar to my foundation color. I think I've showed you guys this shade like a million times, so I'm just going to put it there, just like that, and I'm going to let it cover like the whole eye in some way. It's gonna cover the whole eye. We're going to do the same to the other eye, and yeah, so let me just do this eye, and then the other eye I'll just do it. After that, I'm gonna take another brown color, which is partly like brownish. I'm gonna take this brown shade there, and I am going to mix it. As I told you guys, during holiday I don't tend to carry like my whole kit. So basically what I'm doing in this eye, I'm just going to go with different shades of black. That's what I am planning to do. Nothing much really, just going in with different shades of black. Yeah, and I like how they look on my eye. I think they look super good. See that it's very natural. Then for the last color, I am going to take, I have to change another brush. Even if I didn't want to change, I have to change and go with that brush. And I am going to take a very dark shade of brown. I think it's gonna be this. It's like brownish. I'm gonna go with this one first. Let me go with this. Yeah, I think this is, I'm going to go with that. And then we're gonna take another shade of brown, which is more not like this color, but it has like a reddish vibe. And then I'm gonna mix them up all together, even with the shade that was just there prior. So we're gonna repeat that in the same eye. As you can see, it's very seamless, very, I don't know how to put it, but it's very nice. So we're going to do the same step like I did on this eye, and then we're gonna continue. So guys, after that, I'm gonna go in with an eyeliner. God, I hate when this happens. I'm gonna go in with an eyeliner. It's just my normal eyeliner, and I'm just gonna draw like a line there, not so bold also, but a line that has a wing. There is no problem if I make a mess because I am going to correct it. I was kind of shaky on this one. So to where I have drawn correctly, I just feel like reducing this, and I'm gonna take my concealer brush, just rub off the excess just to make it pointy. So don't worry if you draw your eyeliners wrongly, you could just correct them and they could do you justice. So the other thing I'm going to do is I am going to use my lashes. I got from Saving Homes. They actually come with their own glue, but I really don't use this glue. Then I use my own glue. So yeah, I'm going to keep my lashes just just below. Where the liner is. And the reason why I like drawing this liner is that it just makes it easier for someone to actually place the lashes, and they just look very, very natural. The lashes are in, as you can see, they're very, very natural. I love these lashes because they tend to be very lightweight. Then I'm going to go in with my foundation, which is the Zaron, and it has SPF and it's also glow. So I love this foundation. I've been using it, and to be honest, I don't know why I keep on getting out of focus. I'm just going to keep a little draw because during holidays it tends to be hot. The one thing about this foundation, a little just tends to go a really long way. So I don't want to waste it, and I have to refill it because it looks like it's shedding. I don't know how to say shedding. So then I'm gonna take my beauty sponge. So guys, as you can see, the foundation is really blending well. It's really blending well, and I'm loving how it is blending. It's really nice and seamless. So as you can see, the spaces that I've left out, that's where I'm going to conceal. That's just my holiday makeup routine. Don't forget under your neck, it's very, very important. So guys, during holiday makeup, I don't like to go with a very huge load of makeup, because as you can see, I just use like little pumps and it looks good already. So I don't like using too much makeup during holiday. Even concealing, I'm just going to go with a little bit of concealer, and I'm using the same shade, Toffee. Just going to conceal our under eyes and the bridge of our nose, and also my chin. maybe the corners just a little bit, but not much. I don't like doing this. I just do it, but I don't like doing this. Yeah, so you see, it's very nice and seamless. We're going to use my normal powder, which is the Beignet banana powder, and I'm going to take just a little bit of it, yeah, that bit, and then I am going to just dab it under my concealer just to set my concealer. I kind of kept a generous amount on this side, but I'm going to do my best to make it. But I honestly like the side on this side, so I really want to add more powder on this other side so that they can be similar. Just a bit, yeah. I'm going to take my Black Radiance True Complexion. This has been my go-to kit. I love using this kit because I feel like it's amazing, and it just makes my makeup, it just makes my contour not too harsh, because I don't like harsh contour on me, and I feel like it just does that job, like not giving me a harsh contoured face. And I'm just going to contour just a bit. I don't want to contour too much, just a little bit on the sides, because I've realized that if I contour too much, I tend to have this weird shape that I actually do not like. Yeah, but as per my nose, we're really going to take a generous amount because we want that nose to be snatched. So then to highlight, I'm still going to use the True Complexion palette to highlight, and I'm going to take, this is the medium to dark, so actually the tones are really friendly to a dark skinned per se, so if you're dark skinned, but they have even a light to medium. This is medium to dark, so don't worry, everyone is covered with this. That's why I like using it. So now I've gotten my highlighting brush. I love this because it's very, very soft. So I'm just going to highlight. Ooh, do you see that? It's very, I love how this makeup looks, you guys. I wish you were just here to see how it actually looks in person. It's really subtle, not too harsh, very, very nice. This side too, because you really want to glow during holiday and also look good. So then I'm also going to highlight my chin. Ooh. I also have to apply foundation here. I'm going to do that. And also we are going to highlight the corner of our eyes. Very important. We're going to highlight the corner of our eyes, just like that, and like that, and like that. Right, see. So guys, for the lipstick, during holidays I tend to go very bold, not like every other day. Like, my makeup is subtle, but when it comes to my lips, I like doing them super bold, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take the red lip, and it's by Huda in the shade Vamp. So we're going to use this. I feel like it's the bomb. When I apply this lipstick, everyone asks me like, which lipstick is that? I'm just like, it's by Huda. I really love Huda's lipstick, to be honest. I feel like that's so nice, and affordable. I just feel like Huda is doing a very good job, and I need to refill this too. Most of my makeup is done, y'all. Just gonna line it up. As for setting spray, I'm going to use this setting spray. I don't know whether I should use this or the Zaron one, but I want my makeup to stay matte, so I'm going to use this. One thing I don't like about this is that it has this it has wide drops, so I like using it before doing my makeup. It smells so good. It smells super good. So guys, that was it for my holiday makeup. It's subtle, very minimal. Let me take you guys up close. As you can see, it's very nice. Yeah, I feel like adding a little bit of glitter, but I have to go somewhere after this. Before I go, guys, I'd like to show you like what I am using while on holiday. I'm using this perfume. It's called La Rive. Shout out to my friend Winnie for bringing it to me. And I also tend to use this in shower clean. I love Rexona products. It's not an ad, but it keeps me fresh for like 24 hours and I don't smell sweat, even as in no matter how hot it gets, I just maintain that. I'm also going to use my sunscreen because it's hot and I'm obviously going to be under the sun, so I'm going to use this. I'm just a bit on my hands. Yeah, I use that and it smells, oh, I hope I didn't ruin my top. It smells so good. It smells, these are my kind of scent. So anyway guys, that was it for my video. Thank you so much if you tuned in. I really appreciate. Thank you so much for subscribing and yeah, and all that good stuff. And before I go, I forgot to highlight this area. I'm just gonna use the leftover highlight and just highlight that like that.